Hello and welcome to your first Java programming tutorial. I am Evan, and in this tutorial, I will teach you a series of code and techniques in writing your own programs from procedural programming to object-oriented programming. Advanced programming like recursion and applets will be in another series of videos. If you do not understand any part of the lesson, feel free to email me. I'll be more than happy to answer your question. Or you can join the Discord group, will be in the link in the description. This tutorial will update every Friday, so don't miss out. Today, I will mainly talk about the background of Java and the components of a computer. You need to understand the fundamentals in order to proceed. Java is a language that is developed from C++. As many people say, it's platform independent, which means it only needs to be write once and run everywhere. Java, when compiled, will go through the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, then export a .class file that is suitable for running on that platform only. The Java runtime will be able to translate the .class file and turn them into binary. The compiler that do the export will be different from platform to platform, which in return have a different class file. In this way, the Java makes the platform independent possible. I will talk about all this in more details when we go to the actual coding part. So here is a motherboard, and it got a CPU which will handle an arithmetic and Boolean operation that is directed by the code. Then RAM, where you can code must be copied from hard drive to RAM in order for the CPU to execute them. RAM is faster than the hard drive and even SSD. We say that RAM is volatile, which means that when we lose power, everything in memory will be lose their pointers, making the data inside the RAM unreachable. To be clear, the data inside the RAM is not erased, but means nothing to the computer, thus waiting to be overwritten and replaced with something useful. Then we have the I/O port and power supply and all those stuff which are not important in this tutorial. Just keep in mind that we will continuously imply back to the RAM when we start coding. This is it for your first tutorial. I talk about how Java code turns into machine code and platform independent. Then I talk about the components of a computer that is critical for this series of tutorials. Make sure you understand the concepts, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Until then, stay active, be happy, and plan algorithms.